Good girl. Good girl. Do you get that whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, good girl. Oh, bring it back. Good girl. Okay, this time if you bring it back, that means Sean sucks and Kim's the greatest ever. Oh, yeah. She loves it. Oh no, oh no. Here, let's that over. Cerebral hypoplasia is coming into effect. Ooh.